So hi guys, Spin Montenegro here, and today we are restoring another car, and that is Chevrolet Corvette. I think it's ZR8, not sure. No, okay, it is not. It's C7R with V8 supercharged engine that has 584 horsepower. So I bought this car for barely $300,000. I bought it for $290,000. So currently we are losing the money, but when I restore it with this restoration bonus, we'll get some better stuff, and plus because I have a discount on every part because of my perks, there will be some improvement in that because pay less, get more. So we're gonna move it to the car lifter B, and sorry for this lag, and just remove rear bumper, trunk. This is body. Uh, so the body is a little bit in a messy shape. Yep, I think it is not 100%. Yeah, it's not. So I'm just gonna bring the welder and front right fender. So yeah, uh, it doesn't have any seats. What is this? Not sure what is that. Looks like trash bin, but probably it is. What is this? Why do I have like stripes over there? Never mind. Gonna remove this as well. So this is very I'm not gonna say poorly done, but it is not done the best way it should be. Uh, but it's okay. It's okay. Just see what to. No, we're gonna remove this steering wheel to bring a welder to the car lifter B, and this, not that one, sorry, this one. Oh, I cannot. Oh, okay, I can. So use equipment. Yes. Spend $100 on getting, I think, 100%. Yes. And the detailing kit. Yes, $100. So frame and interior is now 100%, so we can move this back where it was. So we're gonna raise this car, move the wheels, and for today, oh, it has air suspension. I think this is air suspension. No, it is not. This is just okay. So some guy. So we are just stripping this car today, along with the motor, and I'm just gonna do the time lapse right now of whole suspension on this car. So enjoy. So guys, we are finished here with the suspensions. Now I'm just gonna show you, because I leveled up, I'm just gonna show you what it's like. So you go to the toolbox, and because I need to unlock this on 35th level and I'm 31, I can unlock only the one that are currently unlockable, and those that are those two. And I'm gonna choose this because it examines instantly 9 parts instead of, I think, 3. Yes, instead of 3 parts, I'm gonna go with 9 parts. And unlock this upgrade. Now I unlock this power up, and the next one probably do this and wait for this ones. So now I'm just gonna lower the car to remove battery and brake servo. And now I can go to the engine bay. So we got two air intakes, for some reason, not sure why, but it's okay. So I'm gonna just quickly do this and time lapse it for you guys. And the last thing on this list would be engine block. Last, and the car is totally stripped. I don't like this color, so yeah, I can. What I can? Yeah, that's obviously. So I can. I'm not gonna let this car be on this car because it is a little bit ugly. I think this is a Nürburgring car that was used. Maybe, probably, don't know. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. In the next video, we are doing suspension, maybe wheels, and in the third episode, we are doing the engine bay. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.